Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript for absolute beginners. In this video, we are going to be talking about the logical operators. So to start off, we need to create a new file. So I'm going to call this index.html, index.html. I'll click enter. So I'll create another file. I'll call it script.js. All right, so I'm going to click enter. Now the next thing I need to do, let me close this off. I'll link my index.html to my script.js, but before that, let me add boilerplate, shift and 1, click enter. All right, so under the title, let me link my script.js script. I'll click on this. All right, so inside the source, I'm going to click /, then I would select my script.js. So my JS is automatically linked to my HTML. Although we've done a video on how to link your script files to your index.html, so you can go check it out if you haven't seen it. And please click the bell button to subscribe so you can get an update each time I post. So now we've set everything up. Let's begin. So now you go to your script.js. All right, so this is where you write your script code. So let's declare a variable. Let's say var, or since we are already using let's say let age be equals to, let's say 20. All right, so click enter. So now we'll write our if statement. If parenthesis, if age is equals to 20. Now let's include our logical operator. You write or. So now this symbol signifies or, right? So or age is greater than 18, right? You put your curly braces. Alert, you are of age. You are of age. So now let me explain this code. Now we assigned age to be 20, right? We're using if statement. So we say if age is equals to 20, which as we can clearly see that age is equals to 20. Now we said or, this symbol signifies or, age is greater than 18, which we can clearly see that 20 is greater than 18. Then we said alert you are of age. So let's see what this code is going to run. So let's copy path, right click, copy path. You can use your live server if you have one. So I'll go to my Chrome, right? I'll paste it here, Control V, enter. So you can see it says you are of age because age is greater than 18. So let us add the else statement. So we can say else, curly braces, alert what? You are not of age. Right? Now clearly this is the line of code that we run because age is equals to 18 and greater than is equals to 20 and greater than 18. So let's try another operator. So let's say if age is equals to, let's change this 20 to 18. All right. So I'm going to remove this or. Remember that I said that this is or. So I'm going to remove this and put and. So and is donated with this amber sign. So this is it. So we can say if age is equals to 20 and age is greater than 18. So clearly we can see that age is not equals to 20, although an age is not greater than 18. But let's see what will happen. So let's run this code. So I'll come back to my Chrome. Let me click the OK here. So I'm going to refresh. So you can see it's saying you are not of age because that statement is not correct. All right. And mind you, before this statement will run, before this code will run, and you both statements need to be correct. Okay, so for example, let's put 18 here, right? Because age is equals to 18, and let's put 17 here. Now, these two statements is correct because age is equals to 18 and age is also greater than 17. So let's run this code. So let me click OK, refresh. So you can see it is alerting you are of age because age is equals to 18 and age is greater than 17, meaning that 18 is greater than 17. So let's change this to 16. Let's change this to 20 rather. All right. Now age is equals to 18, but is age greater than 20? So let's see what will happen. Okay, let me click OK here and then I refresh. You see it's saying you are not of age because the both line of code is not correct, or these two statements is not correct, although this is correct, but this is not correct because age is equals to 18 here, but age is not greater than 20. That was why the else statement was able to run. So before you're using the AND operator, make sure that both of these are correct. It is only when both of these is correct, that is when the line of code will run. What I mean to say is that before this line of code will run, when you are using the AND logical operator, before this will run, both statements need to be true. So for you to use AND, it means that both statements are true. That is the only time the code will run. But or can work for either of them. If any of this statement is true, or is going to run. So let me remove this and pull back the or that we had before. Oh, sorry. Let me close this up. All right. Okay. Or right. So now let's say age is equals to 18, right? So if age is equals to 18 or age is greater than 20, now let's see what will happen. So if I'm to refresh on this code, refresh. So you can see it's saying you are of age because or doesn't need both statements to be true before it run because age is already equals to 18. So it's going to say you are of age even though age is not greater than 20. So in summary, and need both statements to be correct before the line of code will work, while or just need only one statement to be correct before the line of code will work. So this is basically what you need to know about logical operators. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get an update each time I post. If you have any confusion on the if statement that I use, you can go check out our videos where we treated on conditional statements. So see you in my next video. Bye.